Hey guys, there's my dog Chino, my other dog Miko. 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 Hey, wake up. There he is right there. So, I'm watching The Loud House on Nickelodeon. But anyway, this is another toy review. This is a #1 toy. They did it the opposite. They gave me, like, I guess a number 4, and then I got a number 3, and they skipped down to 2, and I got this. The #1 toy, Peter Rabbit. So, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna leave my phone on. I'm gonna have it on Chino for a minute. Aww. My dog Chino's laying his head on my phone. Sorry guys, I'm trying to open this. Come on, you. You know, it's not food.
I just want to say I'm sorry for your loss, and that I'd be honored to serve as funeral director. I keep an assortment of caskets on hand. When you're thinking shoebox, or for a little more money.
Alright, so
Hey Lincoln, I brought you this casserole. My nana said that there's no greater comfort in times of grief.
let me have my phone back. Thank you.
This might as well be my funeral too.
So here it is. This is the directions. Chino had his head on my phone. So you set it like that. And you're supposed to toss this. And it's supposed to be like that, I guess. You set it on the table. And trying to get these little rings on them by tossing it. Chino. He thinks that this is food. So yeah, you got different colors, pretty much all the same. You got 3 orange here. And then you got 3 greens too. And plus this card. Look how he's laying. He's a nut. He's a baby. What? You want daddy?
Scary spider went in there.
You want daddy? Huh? What? Hey, baby. Hey. Nobody's at the door. This is what they do. Sometimes. Boys! Chino, stop it. Y'all are silly. Y'all are silly. Hush, boys. Now, enough is enough. But anyway, if y'all like this video, give it a like, comment, favorite, subscribe,